Hey guys, so remember the Lorax?
You have been warned. Thanks.
Yeah, okay.
You have been warned.
So in the Lorax, there's those trees called the Truffula trees. Truffula trees? Basically, I'm gonna build one of those. So yeah, let's get started. And voila! I really like how it turned out actually. I think it looks quite realistic to what the tree would look like in real life. If you have anything that you really want me to make, comment down below what it is. I also have an Instagram and a Twitter, so if you want to contact me on either one of those, the links are down below. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.